Good day, everyone. Welcome to our presentation. I am Royce Abrenica, and today we will explore a compelling scenario titled Optimizing the Enrollment Process at the College of Computer Studies, or the CCS, at the university. And we will address the challenges we face and discuss how simulation-based solutions can transform this critical function for our students. And here is our scenario. Optimizing the enrollment process of the CCS department at the university through simulation-based solutions. And the enrollment process is a critical function for universities, serving as the gateway for students to begin or continue their academic journey. At the College of Computer Studies, or the Department of the University, the current system faces numerous challenges, including excessive wait times, frequent system slowdowns, and significant levels of student dissatisfaction. These inefficiencies negatively impact not only the student experience but also the operational performance of the department. But the simulation research aims to address these issues by conducting a comprehensive analysis of the enrollment process to identify its root causes. And by utilizing a simulation-based approach, the project seeks to design and propose innovative solutions to streamline the process for both new and returning students. And our ultimate goal is to enhance the system performance and minimize delays and foster a more satisfying experience for all stakeholders. And the next one, or the problem formulation, will be discussed by Mr. Denmhar Dimaculangan.
Okay. Now, let's talk about the problem formulation. In here, you can see the key issues is the excessive wait times, system slowdowns, and the student this is dissatisfaction. In here, the enrollment process is the first step in students' academic journeys, but it's currently facing significant challenges. Excessive wait times during peak periods frustrates the students, affecting their experience. System slowdowns and technical glitches further delay the enrollment and create chaos, impacting both students and staff. These efficiencies hurt the operational performance of the CCS department and most importantly lead to the student dissatisfaction. Negative experiences during enrollment can shape students' perception of the university, influencing their decision to stay or recommend the institution to the other students. And now let's move on to the next topic, setting objectives and overall project plan discussed by Andrey.
Setting objectives and overall project plan. Our goal is clear: to identify the root causes of these issues and develop effective solutions that enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the enrollment process. By conducting a comprehensive analysis, we aim to uncover the underlying factors contributing to these challenges. The next topic is model conceptualization that will be discussed by me. Model conceptualization. To improve the enrollment system, we first need to understand the current workflow from course selection to final registration. By analyzing how students interact with the system, we can identify key points that cause frustration. Data collection is critical. We need to gather information on wait time, system performance, and error rates to pinpoint areas improvement. Next, we'll explore process optimization strategies to enhance efficiency, whether through automation, better system, infrastructure, or resource management during peak periods. Continuous stakeholder feedback from students, staff, and IT personnel will ensure we're meeting the needs of all parties involved, making the enrollment process smoother and more effective for everyone. And the next topic is data collection that will be discussed by Asher.
Data collection. Through continuous data analysis, we will monitor enrollment trends and performance metrics. Regular stakeholders' feedback from students, faculty, and staff will further refine our approach, ensuring that we address real concerns effectively. To build a robust, efficient enrollment process, we focus in four key areas of data collection. Enrollment data. First, we gather and analyze historical enrollment data. This includes application volumes, processing time, and system performance metrics. These insights helps us understand past trends, and identify opportunities for improvement. Student feedback. Next, we conduct surveys and focus groups to capture students' experiences. This step is critical in identifying pain points and areas where the enrollment process can better meet their needs. Number 3, staff insights. We collaborate closely with the enrollment staff, gathering their perspective on workflow inefficiencies and potential improvements. Their first-hand experience is invaluable in refining our strategies. Number 4, industry benchmarks. Finally, we research best practices and benchmark our enrollment process against industry standards. This comparison allows us to identify innovative opportunities for optimization. This four, this four data collection provide a comprehensive foundation for enhancing the enrollment process and ensuring a seamless experience for all stakeholders.
We will conduct in-depth interviews with students and staff to analyze pain points in the current system. By mapping out the end-to-end enrollment workflow, we can identify bottlenecks and opportunities for optimization. And this is a four-model translation. First is the process mapping. Develop and detail a detailed mass map to visualize and understand the current enrollment workflow, identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Second is root cause analysis. Conduct a thorough root cause analysis to identify the underlying factors contributing to the observed enrollment challenges. Third is the solution ideation. Brainstorm and evaluate potential solutions that address the root causes, focusing on technology, process improvements, and staff training. And lastly, solution selection. Select the most promising solution based on feasibility, cost effectiveness, and potential impact on the enrollment experience.
For verification, verification is the process of ensuring that the system meets design specification and, and it's technically feasible to implement. Let's go over the key steps involved. Technical feasibility will start by assessing whether the proposed solution integrates effectively with existing system and meets all infrastructure requirements. Risk assessment. Next, we'll identify potential risks and challenges associated with the implementation. Mitigation strategies will be developed to ensure a smooth rollout. Process alignment. It's also critical to align the solution with the university's enrollment policies, regulation, and strategic goals to maintain consistency. Stakeholder buy-in. Finally, we'll focus on gaining support from key stakeholders, including students, faculty, and staff, to ensure the system is adopted successfully. The next topic will be discussed by Ronald Mark Masalonga.
Validation. Validation ensures that the system works as intended in real-time scenarios. This step focuses on testing and refining the solution to achieve its objectives effectively. Let's discuss the main phases of validation. First, the pilot implementation. The new solution will first be tested in a controlled pilot environment. This helps this helps us to evaluate its performance and gather valuable feedback from users. Second is performance monitoring. During the pilot phase, we will we will monitor key metrics such as processing speed, system efficiency, and user satisfaction to measure its effectiveness. Third, iterative refinement. Based on the feedback and observed performance during the pilot, we will refine and optimize the system to address any issues. And lastly, full implementation. Once validated, the system will be fully deployed across the CCS department. Continuous monitoring will ensure the solution delivers sustained performance.
Our findings will be compiled into a comprehensive report detailing insights gained from our analysis, results from pilot testing, and key metrics analyzed throughout this process. This report will serve as a foundation for proposing actionable solutions. Number one, enrollment volumes. Evaluates how the new solution influences the total number of enrollments, processing times, and system efficiency. Student satisfaction. Measure Measure student satisfaction through surveys and feedback, focusing on improvements in the enrollment process. Staff efficiency. Analyze how the new solution affects staff productivity and workload efficiency in the enrollment process. Number four, cost effectiveness. Assess financial implication including operational savings and potential reduction in infrastructure costs.
Conduct simulation runs to analyze different scenarios within the enrollment process. This allows us to test various solutions in a controlled environment before implementation. Production runs and analysis. Data analysis. Continuously analyze enrollment data to identify trends, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions. Stakeholder feedback. Regularly collect feedback from students, faculty, and staff to further refine and improve the enrollment process. Process optimization. Implement an iterative approach to continuously optimize the enrollment process, address emerging challenges, and enhance the overall student experience. Continuous improvement. Establish a framework for ongoing monitoring, evaluation, and continuous improvement of the CCS department's enrollment process.
Now let's talk about the additional runs. Additional runs are essential for refining the enrollment process by addressing key issues. First, we analyze pain points through in-depth interviews with students and staff to identify frustration and barriers. Next, we map out the entire workflow, pinpointing bottlenecks and insufficiencies. And finally, we assess the technology in place, uncovering opportunities to streamline and optimize the system for a smoother enrollment experience. And now let's move on to the next topic, the documentation and reporting by Kerby.
Documentation and reporting is a compilation or detailed report of what has been done throughout the process or basically the conclusion part. Our comprehensive report will outline insight gained for data collection, result from pilot testing, recommendation for future improvement, and stakeholder feedback collected throughout the process. Next topic, implementation will be discussed by Jake.
And hi once again. I am Royce Abrenica, and in our implementation, we will develop a detailed plan that includes specific recommendations and timelines for adopting new enrollment software, automating manual processes, and providing comprehensive training for administrative staff on updated workflows. And in our implementation, we have three, and these are the streamlined systems that implements the new enrollment software and automate manual processes to improve efficiency. The train staff to provide a comprehensive training to administrative staff on the updated enrollment workflows, and the enhanced communication to develop a clear communication plan to keep students informed through the enrollment process. And in our conclusion, by prioritizing agility and responsiveness of the CCS department, we can establish an enrollment process that is not only effective or efficient and user-friendly but also adaptable to the evolving needs of the university and its students. Through an iterative improvement strategy, the department can proactively address potential challenges, ensuring a streamlined, satisfying experience for all stakeholders, while staying aligned with institutional goals.
That's
That's
all.
all.
That's all.
That's
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you.
Oh, Rhea,